To ensure safe entry, transit, and exit into Vietnam, foreigners must comply with the provisions of Vietnamese law as detailed in the Law on Entry, Exit, Transit, and Residence of Foreigners in Vietnam. Failure to provide complete information or necessary documents may result in refusal of entry or other forms of handling. Therefore, foreigners must be fully aware of the conditions when carrying out these procedures. First, when entering Vietnam, foreigners must satisfy the following conditions. Number 1. Having a passport or valid international travel documents and visa, except in cases of visa exemption. If foreigners entering under unilateral visa exemption, the passport must be valid for at least 6 months. Number 2. Not in cases where entry is not allowed, such as children under 14 years old without parents, guardians, or authorized person accompanying them, or foreigners who have been deported from Vietnam within 3 years from the effective date of the deportation decision. In addition, foreigners using electronic visas to enter must also satisfy the above conditions and enter through international border gate decided by the document. Next, when transiting in Vietnam, foreigners must carry the following documents: passport or international travel document, vehicle ticket suitable for the journey to the third country, visa of the third country, except in cases of visa exemption. And finally, when leaving Vietnam, foreigners must have a passport or international travel document and a valid temporary resident certificate, temporary resident card, or permanent resident card. Note that in order to successfully access, foreigners must not be subject to temporary access suspension, such as not having fulfilled their tax obligations. In addition, if foreigners use an electronic visa to exit, they must meet the above conditions and exit through international border gate decided by the government. That is the basic information about the condition for entry, transit, and exit for foreigners under current Vietnamese law. For further support on investment law and business law, please contact SIG Law Firm to be provided with the most optimal and comprehensive service. SIG Law Firm is an experienced legal service provider in Vietnam with expertise in investment, enterprise, and labor law. Over the years, SIG Law Firm has built a prestigious clientele with prominent names such as Lotte, CEO Suite, Alliax, and Handy Lao. That's why you will always receive dedicated and optimal service when working with SIG Law teams of lawyers and legal experts. If you find this video interesting and useful, please give us a like and subscribe. Click on the bell icon to receive new video notification, and we'll see you soon in the next video of SIG Law Hub.